Namaste, this is Anagh. In my previous class, we have discussed about the political Central Asia. We have discussed the 5 countries in Central Asia by using a trick, that is K square U T square. Right? Remember? And in this video, we are going to discuss about the physical Central Asia. Physical Central Asia, right? In these categories, first one is we will discuss the lakes, then we will discuss the mountains, mountain ranges, then we discuss the rivers, major rivers, then we go to deserts, and after that we will discuss a plateau, and finally we go to the grasslands. Right? So these are the categories we are going to discuss in this video. So let's start with lakes. So here in this region we find the largest lake in the world. Do you know what is it? It is this one. This is the Caspian Sea. So this is the largest lake in the world, and in Central Asia the countries which border this Caspian Sea are this one, Kazakhstan right here, and Turkmenistan right here, right? So this is Caspian Sea, the largest lake in the world. Then we get this lake. This is the Aral Sea, right? This is situated between Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan, right? And in another lake we find only in Kazakhstan. This is Balkhash Lake, Lake Balkhash. Right? Caspian Sea and Aral Sea have suffix sea, but they are lakes. Right? So this is Lake Balkhash. It is only situated in only Kazakhstan. Then another lake we find, another major lake in Kyrgyzstan. That is this one. This is the Issyk-Kul Lake. This is the world's. This is the second largest mountain lake in the world. Now, what is the first largest mountain lake? It is the Lake Titicaca in South America. It is situated on the Andes range, Andes mountains. It is situated between Peru and Bolivia countries. So this is Issyk-Kul, situated in only Kyrgyzstan. It is the second largest mountain lake in the world. It is situated on Tian Shan mountains, Tian Shan range. So these are the 4 lakes we have discussed. So lakes we have completed. Then let's move on to mountains. So here we find 3 major mountain ranges. So first one, this range. This range is the Pamir range, Pamir mountains. Right? These Pamir mountains these are situated in the countries Afghanistan, here Tajikistan, here Kyrgyzstan, right here this small part, and they enter China. Right? 4 countries: Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, and China. Then another major what do we call? Yeah, mountain ranges. We get, that is this one. This is the Tian Shan range. Right? This whole is Tian Shan range. It is situated in the countries Tajikistan here and Kyrgyzstan, and a small part of Uzbekistan right here, right, and Kazakhstan right here, and enters China. So what is this? This is Tian Shan mountains, right? So then we get this range. This is the Altai mountains, right? Altai mountains. So first, yeah, this Altai mountains, it is situated in 4 countries: Russia here, and Kazakhstan in this small part, and then China and Mongolia right here. So Altai mountains in Central Asia, it is situated only in Kazakhstan right here. Right? So we have completed mountains too. Now let's move on to rivers. So here first let's look at the longest river in Central Asia. What? Yeah. So we'll look at the longest river now. That is this one. It goes like this. It travels through Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, then enters Tajikistan, then re-enters Uzbekistan, and finally enters Kazakhstan, then it flows like this in Kazakhstan, and finally empties into the Aral Sea. Now what is this? This is Sirdarya river. Right, Sirdarya river. This is right. Sirdarya river, its source is two rivers. They are, one is this one and one is this one. One is this one. This is Narin river. Then this one is Karadarya river. Right, both.
Right name somewhere.
Yeah,
Narin.
okay. So Narin and Karadarya, these both join and form Sirdarya. Right? So now next, this Sirdarya flows through Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan and Kazakhstan, right? Not Turkmenistan. All these four countries it flows, but except Turkmenistan.
It is the longest in Central Asia, right?
Yeah. So another river we find which originates here. Its source is in Pamir range, and Sirdarya source is Tian Shan. Right. So Pamir range, its source, it flows through Afghanistan, then Tajikistan, then Uzbekistan, and finally enters Turkmenistan and goes up, acts like border between Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan, then re-enters Uzbekistan and finally empties into the Aral Sea. Right? Now what is this? This is the Amudarya river. This is the Amudarya river. Right? So this river passes through, in Central Asia, this river passes through Tajikistan, Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan, three countries. Right? So
What is specialty of that river?
yeah, Amudarya river is the largest river according to the water quantity in Central Asia, and Sirdarya is the longest river based on the length. Right? Another major river we find here, its source is Altai Mountains. It flows through Mongolia, like this, China, and enters Kazakhstan, flows like this, and finally goes enters the Russia, and its source is Altai Mountains, and its mouth is the Ob river. It is a tributary of Ob river. Now what is this? This is now what is this?
It is Irtish.
Yeah. So Irtish river Irtish. Right? It is a tributary of Ob river. Ob river goes and joins in the Gulf of Ob. Right? So in Central Asia, it flows through only Kazakhstan. Right here. Right? Only Kazakhstan. So another major river we find, it starts in China. Its source is Tian Shan Mountains. It flows through China and enters the Kazakhstan and finally empties into the lake of Balkhash. Now what is this? This river is river Ili. Right? In Central Asia, it flows through only Kazakhstan, right here. So these are the lakes which we were going to discuss. We have discussed it. So rivers also we have completed. Now let's move on to deserts. Okay? So deserts. Here in Central Asia, we find two major deserts. First, we find a desert in Turkmenistan. This one. It is situated only in Turkmenistan. Now what is this? This is the Karakum desert. Karakum means black sand. Black sand. Karakum means nothing but black sand. So it is situated only in Turkmenistan. And the desert which is near it is this one. This is the Kaisilkum desert. So this is Kaisilkum. Right? Kaisilkum means red sand. Karakum means black sand. Kaisilkum means red sand. Right? Kaisilkum is a desert which is situated in Uzbekistan as well as Kazakhstan. Right? Here and here. And this desert is situated between two rivers. The Amudarya river and Sirdarya river. See, you can see right here, Amudarya river and Sirdarya river, both, it is situated between them both. Right? So we have completed two deserts. Deserts also completed. So now let's move on to the only plateau, a major plateau, right? On that. Yeah. So one plateau we find this one. This plateau, its name is Usturt Plateau. Usturt. Right? So this plateau is situated in 3 countries. Turkmenistan in this small portion, here Uzbekistan, and in Kazakhstan, right? Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan. It is situated between Caspian Sea and Aral Sea, right? Right, you can see here. See Caspian Sea and Aral Sea, it is situated between them. And one more point I have to say, Aral Sea is not this much bigger now. It has totally dried up. It is mostly dried up, right? So this is the Usturt Plateau, right? This is a major plateau in Central Asia. So we have completed plateau 2. Then let's move on to grasslands. The grasslands, we find grasslands many places in the world, right? In Eurasian area, the grasslands we find are called steppes, right? Steppes. So this green color area is called the grasslands, treeless grasslands. They are steppes, right? So this is our trip of Central Asia. In my coming videos, we will explore a new place. Thank you.